This is James with your buddy at the beach. Behind you, you will see a shower that is only 2 years old and it is leaking to the floor below. Good job, builder. You're killing it. Keep on building. First step, we're going to remove the glass door, and then we're going to start breaking out the hammers. So let's begin.
All demo complete in 2 hours and 14 minutes flat. We are ready to waterproof and get this bad boy tiled. Your buddy at the beach, custom tile installation, serving Bay and Walton County. James 850-238-5631. You can follow me on YouTube at Serious Tile Talk, SIRIUS, or TikTok Serious Tile Talk.